Hi guys, welcome to my channel's Clash of King with RDV. Welcome to another video. I suggest to have your own strategy, and I record this video to give you idea to make your own strategy on how to survive the aggressive player in your kingdom, or the Chinese player in your kingdom, because they are aggressive in attacking small player like us. So I make this strategy to survive, and I think this strategy is good for me because before I hard up to raise my power. Now my power is more than 4 million because I use this strategy while harvesting my farm, because Chinese players they always attacking player while harvesting their farm. So you need to have your own strategy, and I will take my alliance storage, guys. I need to rebuild or build again so that I can send my troops there to hide, because this place your enemy, they can attack your troops. So I send my troops. I have troops for I have troops 1.8 million troops. I send all my troops in the alliance farm. Look at, guys, I send more than 1 million, 1.1 million to alliance farm to, so that my enemy can attack my troops. Then and switch my skills, and then I will scout. Then use skill resources protection. activate the dragon word plunder so that I can harvest my farm crystal. This skills, guys, if your enemy attack you, they can plunder your resources. And I think the Chinese confusing because of see my castle. They think that I have a big shield. But you can use these skills, guys, if your lord is already reached to level 38 and set your skills and development so that you can use these skills resources protection. I hope this strategy, guys, I can give you an idea to have your own strategy and trick your enemies. And I think if you have your own strategy, you will increase your power if your strategy is good. And I suggest also, guys, to play event always. Last night I played Dark Knight event. I got rank number 1 in the Dark Knight event. I think Dark Knight you can get pleasure in the Dark Knight if you have more troops, and you need to reinforce the weakest members in your alliance so that you can get more points in the Dark Knight event. And also, guys, I harvest my farm because I preparing tomorrow is the Hero Saga event to get more rewards or to get more gold. This strategy I will use for 3 months. Now then my power increases because of this strategy. I think this strategy is applicable to me.